The PC Defender is the perfect solution for protecting your computer from harmful substances on the production floor. It is made from the highest quality stainless steel and comes in a black powder-coated steel version as well. It comes standard with the best components in the industry, including flush-mounted keyed compression locks, a cooling fan and filter system, and a shatterproof polycarbonate viewing window. The monitor mounts easily to the back of the enclosure and can be adjusted to fit monitors up to 24 inches. And we also offer the large PC Defender for even larger-sized computer towers. The PC Defender is completely waterproof, as we demonstrated here, with a cable entry grommet, a watertight gasket seal, and optional waterproof keyboard and mouse. This enclosure can stand up to even the harshest treatment. It has more than enough space to house a PC and other components underneath the monitor screen, protecting them from water, dust, and other harmful substances. The PC Defender can easily be mounted on a pedestal or directly to the wall. It comes fully assembled with a fixed or fold-down tray suitable for most industrial keyboards and mouse, and all the mounting hardware that you need for a fast and easy installation. Choose PC Enclosures to prevent theft, tampering, and damage to your computer screens.